Hi friends, I am Srishel, your online tutor. This is our first video, so please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos. And please do tell your friends to do the same thing so that we will come live in the YouTube to teach you more and more things. If you are in a class 8th, 9th, or 10th, then this video will definitely help you to utilize this time of pandemic. See, the whole world is scared of this pandemic, and almost all the countries are facing slowdown in their economy and joblessness and many more things like that. But the only solution to overcome from this pandemic is maintaining social distance. So we must and should follow that. Whereas it shouldn't affect on our studies, and as we know, you people are the future of our nation. You should get uninterrupted education, and for that motive we are going to start online classes. For class 8th, 9th, and 10th, we are going to take science, maths, and English. Whereas science, you will get the concept cleared, and more than 100 objective type questions in each chapter will be solved. And in maths also the same thing, the concept will be cleared and some examples will be solved. And in the English, we are not going to take the subject, we are not going to cover the chapters, we are going to cover only the grammatical part. Whereas this will be helpful for those who are preparing for competitive exam also. We are also conducting one more classes for competitive exams like competitive English, and even we have the communication English classes. So this 8th, 9th, 10th students grammar also you can watch, there is no problem at all. We are going to start and grammar classes for the competitive exams, those who are preparing for banking exams, those who are preparing for the KPSC exam. Everywhere the grammatical part will be there, that we are going to cover in detail. And those who are facing problems in attending interview, we are going to start the communicative classes as well. You can make use of it. So everything will be free and everything will be online. When it comes to the online classes, you feel that it's different from the traditional classes, but there is nothing like that. In the traditional classes, what you do, you go to the classes and teachers will come and clear the concept on the board, and if you feel any queries, you will ask the questions and clear the concept. The same thing will happen in the online classes. Earlier it was not there, but now so many software companies are bringing the softwares to do the same thing. Like within 1 month or 2 months, our live streaming app will also launching. We are going to launch our live streaming app. Till the time we are making use of the YouTube, you can watch after that also. Even after launching of our live streaming app also, you can make use of this YouTube classes for free of cost. What we are telling that the difference between the online classes and traditional classes, right? In the traditional classes, the same thing will happen in the online classes also nowadays, and even more than that. Like in the traditional classes, if you take the classes, you can't take the classes as per your convenience. You should have to go to the class and you should have to sit there and learn the things. But in the online classes, you can take the class as per your convenience. Like you can sit in the terrace, you can sit on the garden, and you can sit at the home. You can study as per your convenience. You can retake the classes. If you are not understood any of the concept in the live classes, you won't tell your teachers to retake the whole classes. Whatever the concept you haven't understood, that he can explain you, but you won't tell to retake the classes. But in online classes you can retake it, because it is video classes will be there. It has been uploaded in the YouTube. Anytime, whenever you want, you can watch the classes, you can retake the classes as per your convenience. And one more thing, you can save the time if you are going for the tuition classes, and there the traveling is needed, no, that time you can save here, and you can save the time in the online classes. You can ask the question without any hesitation. For in the live classes, in the traditional classes, so many students have this habit of shyness. They are not hesitating, they have the knowledge, but they feel shy to ask the questions. That feeling will not be there in the online classes, because you won't know who is the teacher, where he is, and you won't know who are the audience who are standing with sitting with you, so that you can ask the question without any hesitation. And the last thing is that you can watch the classes whenever you feel you are in good mood. We in the last 5 years we have proved in the track it that we have collected the emotional quotient and the learning outcome of the student, and the result is that if you are in a good mood, then your learning outcome will be more. If you when you are going to the class and you quarrel with your parents, then your learning outcome will not be good. But the teachers can't identify each and every one of your moods in the class and take the classes. It's not possible, right? But here you can watch the classes whenever you are in good mood, so that you will get better learning outcome. And it's not only proved by the tracked, even so many psychologists like Alice Aisin has studied in the from 4 to 5 years. They have studied and proved that the learning outcome and creativity will be more whenever you are in good mood, and whenever you are in bad mood, that there will be a negative possibility is there. They have proved that, right? And in this platform I am going to teach you the subject of science, where the concept will be clear, like as I told you, I will teach you the concept first, and then I will solve more than 100 objective questions that will be like online tests and all will take. And we have the evaluation classes also, weekly evaluation tests will be there, that we are conducting through our app. It will be getting released, launched at the earliest, so that we can start taking the online tests for evaluation. And if you are a slow learner, for that we have another solution. If you are a slow learner, then we have like brief, like one concept, we will micro classes will be teaching each concept in clear with more day-to-day examples. Like science, according to me, science is not a subject, it is just the studying of nature and studying of yourself. It's like see, the science have three branches, right? In physics we are going to study like our motion and all the things, gravitation, how the apple has fallen down, and even if we are traveling, that is also the physics. Even if we are sitting, that is also the physics. In physics we will study all the things like surrounding us in the nature. So even if the fish is flying, the blood is flowing, everything like the flight is flying on the sky, everything will study in the physics, like each and everything. Like in chemistry also will study the things that the physics that the same as the physics. In the kitchen also will study so many of chemistry things, like the milk will become the curd, that also there is a chemical reaction, and how to write that in the equation format. And if there is glass of there is a mixture of hot water and cold water, there also will study the physics and chemistry both, how the molecules will move and all the things will study everywhere in our day to day life. Whatever we are getting, we will study it as a science, but only thing we are defining the concept in the scientific format and we are showing it in a mathematical format. We are in the milk is becoming curd, we are showing it in an equation format that has become the chemistry. And if we are traveling in a car, if we are traveling in a car, if the driver accelerates the car, we go back like this, and if the driver hits the brake, we come in front, and if the driver take turns in the right, we fall on the left side. I think you have felt all these things, and the same things will study in the science and just will define in the scientific format, that's it. And in the chemistry, the same things like molecules, how it move, how they form the reaction, everything will be collected and will be given in the mathematical format, that will become the chemistry. And in biology, it's so funny, you will learn each and everything, like how you see the light and how you feel, like how you digest your food, how your respiration system works, how your blood flows, how the plants get the food, and how they manufacture the food, how the food travels in the plants, and each and every concept will study in the biology and each and every species in the universe. So in physics, you will study the light, you will study the motion, you will study the force. If you are lifting some glass of water, if the glass is here, you are lifting it and drinking the water, that you are putting the force on it. That there is one chapter we will study how the force will affect on the body, how the force will affect on the stagnant body, how the force will affect on the motional body. Everything we will study in the physics. This science is not a subject, it's just the enjoyment of your nature and enjoyment of your surroundings. Everything will teach the science in the upcoming days, will make you science more interesting and more interesting. So if you are please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more notifications on this video, to get more notifications. And please subscribe. If you become more than 1,000 subscribers, then we can come live and teach you live there. So please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.